time is ticking, I don't have a lot left. My drug dealer put me on the block list. But my tongue plays the top, I'm a hot mess. Had an underwater dream when I locked
Get it to focus. Hey, what's going on, boys? There's another episode of Banned from TV, Off-White, Banned from, Divide the Youth, V-Loan, all that shit. We showing skin today. We out here on the streets, and guess what? We gonna get What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Banned from TV. It's Mike, it's Rain, it's your favorite Andrew. Hey, I don't know what we're gonna do today, but hey, when we get there, y'all finna find out.
No, we need to like talk to this camera more.
Oh, boy.
There's people in there.
We put the... Cause I ain't gonna lie, Ren, those glasses, I like.
Damn, I really look like your favorite trapper, your favorite scammer, and your MCM at the same time, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, we're gonna go fucking film shit. These fuckers are on some shit right now. But look at Ryan's broken down ass fucking whip.
Y'all dissing my car is actually beautiful.
This is broken down as fuck, buddy.
Literally fucking perfectly fine.
Alright, turn it on right now.
Dude.
Oh yeah!
Hey, you trying to play some chicken? I'm not turning.
I am.
I am. What a pussy.
Which way you going, man?
Oh, I didn't see you. Man, they need to put mirrors on here.
Hey, shit, different people is hurt.
Yeah, I have a nail in my foot right now.
Do you?
Yeah. You want to see the holes? I was at a party and I was running from the cops and I stepped on nails.
You might have deserved that, then.
Listen, I might have wooden legs pretty soon because I'm not going to the hospital. I'm a G. Yes, sir.
Hey, YouTubers.
Oh, God.
What's up?
No cap.
What's up to his mom? Yeah, I love that girl.
Male strippers?
Yeah, we're male strippers.
Really?
If you ever have a party, have us over.
Oh yeah.
Ow, ow. Go, 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 go. Damn, it looks like we messed up. Oh wait, I think we need some Subway real quick. You can bounce it.
Oh.
What are you pushing me for?
He got it.
It's his now.
But you're loading my basket and I need my basket. Excuse me, can you not do that?
Alright, if you could put these in the cooking aisle and throw these in the trash, and then the rest of this, just, I think, unload it at the front.
No, thank you.
Hey, can I get some assistance over here? So they just hired me a few weeks ago. Don't have a vest, don't have a name tag. They call me Pegasus on the street. Where do these things go? Because they look kind of good.
How about you put that down? You've already been told to leave the store.
Just loaded this stuff in the basket I'm using, so.
What happened?
I'm gonna call the cops right now. You all.
No, please, please, please don't call the cops. I have a felony for selling meth. Please don't.
Y'all get out of here. I'm serious.
Yeah, and
I'm a walk.
Yeah, they're being bad influences. Let's get them, right? Am I right? He's running after us. He's running after us.
Look at him.
We're gonna menace around in this mall.
My. Look at you.
There's no fucking way.
This is gonna be like the third time we see him in the next year. Yeah, we're not YouTube. No. Damn. Yeah, I see.
Snap a pic.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
The Krabby Patty formula.
Please don't roast me in the comments, bros. I'm breaking out this year, bro. I'm breaking. I keep itching my face.
Oh, we're doing great.
Okay, well you can't film in here.
Oh no, he's deaf.
I'm not
not playing. You
He's
can't
dead.
film it. I'm not playing. And you can delete it, or you can be sued by Spencer's for filming on private property. So go ahead.
What do you
and
think? I
delete
just got a
it.
boot job.
How about I call the police then?
The police?
go ahead.
Please don't call the police. I have a felony for selling methamphetamine. Please don't call the police. No. Please. Please.
Hey, Kelby, can you get pictures of these kids?
I'm out.
Kelby, I'm following these kids for security.
Hell no.
I would never try.
If you lift it up, it makes a noise. I'm about to fuck with people. Yeah, it's upstairs, but you gotta go back up. Yeah, you gotta go back up. I'm trying to close this one down. Yeah, I promise you, bro. I was just lying to you. I'm trying to beat the world record for the best pushing Oh, thank God. Thank you. You just saved a life. Did you see me? That heroic act of kindness? I saved her fucking life. What do you mean? What do I do? Yo, you want to race? I'll race you right now. You're gonna lose. No, hurry. Now. Hurry. It's actually broken. I was eating your tuna sub in the cafeteria. I need to shut this elevator down. I just saved your life. What? I did. Hurry. Get down. Down, up. Broken elevator. It's a broken elevator. Let's do it now. Hurry. Do it now. Broken. I was eating a tuna sub in the cafeteria. Late to this. I have to shut it down. Fuck me.
Was it actually broken?
It didn't feel broken. And then you say something about eating.
Hurry, go down. It's broken. Hurry. Run. I have to fix this thing. I was crying in the break room. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I was crying in the break room. No, God. My girlfriend broke up with me. I quit this fucking job. Chief just called and said that's not it. I am the chief. Wait. Alright, we're leaving. Sorry to message you. No, we just, like, you see this? We got turned down.
No, I can't let you break me.
What's going on YouTube? It's Dan from TV. It's Mike, it's Ren, it's Andrew, and shit, why don't you tell them what we doing today?
I'm gonna go in that bitch and just play some VR, bro. You know? My mom took away my Wi-Fi, so thank God they got some free shit up in there. Oh my God!
Alright, friends, we know we've talked to you about this before. This patron, we will have to call the police. It's up to you if you want us to or not. So just keep that in mind because you've already been warned about it. So remember, you also cannot film patrons in the library. So keep that in mind.
What?
Go ahead.
I lost my car keys.
that's what I fucking thought. Go ahead and get out. Just go ahead, man. Come on.
You should talk to him.
Talk to him.
You should
Come
talk
on,
to him.
man. I'm not going to talk to him.
Just look at Rin, bro. The disturbance in the pieces, Rin. Jesus Christ, Rin.
Yo, I'm in the library in the multiverse. Whoa, are you real? Are you real?
Sir, I will call the police, okay?
Huh? You're not real. Wow, this thing looks 3D as hell. Whoa. Ah! 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 I don't want to live in my ever again. Ah! 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 Whoa! Ah! Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God! Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
I don't wanna see tomorrow.